What's going on, everybody? Josh Oakley here. We're back in the shop. Unfortunately, we didn't get to run the season opener at South Boston. The car was ready pretty much to go practice, and we just couldn't come up with the funding to go do it. But we still trying to go practice. I actually got the track scheduled to rent it out for this week to go practice, so we'll get all that on video here. But we are doing a few more things to the car that we decided to change before we go practice, so we'll see what we got going on here. All right, we got Diesel here. Diesel, what'd you think about us missing the season opener we've been hoping on all winter? How did that make you feel?
That hurt a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna get it out there this week. I'll be like a fat kid in the candy store, ready to roll. So
yeah.
Hopefully we get it out there. We'll be at the next one. Don't worry, we'll show y'all some stuff.
Yeah, me and Dad and Diesel and maybe another few more people, we're going to test. Planning on Friday, so let's see what we get done here. So we made a few changes on the front end here, so we had to go back through our bump steer, and I'm letting Diesel show him how to do bump steer for the first time. He ain't never done it, so I'm trying to teach him how to do this. One. Oh. Okay, check your measurement.
A little bit? Yeah, just a hair.
So me in there.
Oh, right there.
Come on, that's a wee bit.
Yeah. Right there.
All right, we within 10 thousandths. That's good. What's going on, everybody? It's Thursday afternoon, and we are finally getting ready to load this car up to be able to go for our first practice of the season. So carry you along with us this afternoon as we load up, and then we'll be heading to the racetrack tomorrow. All right, y'all, here we are, getting ready to go in the box for the first time of this year. Go get ready to see what this old girl to do tomorrow. All right, y'all, we loaded up, so we're gonna go try to find us some food and take a shower and get ready for tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. So see y'all tomorrow. All right, everybody, it's finally the day we've been all waiting for. Friday morning, we're here at South Boston Speedway, finally making it here for the first practice of the year for us. So we're gonna get unloaded here and see what this old girl will do today. made a couple runs on the car. Hadn't really gotten up to speed too much, just kind of shaking everything down. And we've had a few drags and a few rubs that we're trying to solve. But overall, I think we're heading in the right direction. The motor feels really good. So we're gonna make a few changes here and adjust a few things and see if we can get a little better. What you doing there, Diesel?
Taking the shocks loose so we can change out the spring and see if we can get a little more bite out of it. We're happy. It's getting close. Just a few more tweaks and we'll be good to go.
Got Mr. Parrish here. Y'all see Parrish Mason all over this car. That's the man right there. It's the main man. He's the main man. We got a bunch of stories we could tell with him. He can tell y'all a whole lot of stuff. He used to own the Bush car with who was it? Kenny Burke's driving. Yeah, so we'll get him on here one day. We'll tell a bunch of stories about that too. So y'all be seeing more of him. Y'all, we done finished up for today, and we worked really good. Never got the car good. Never could get it to turn. We having a bunch of drag and had a bunch of issues with the right front tire rubbing, a bunch of stuff, and just honestly never did get it figured out. The only good thing about today is we feel real good about our new motor. So if we ever do get the car handling like it's supposed to, I feel like we're going to be where we need to be. So that'll be it for today, and we'll try to get some shop footage tomorrow and see what we can figure out on this front end. All right, y'all, we're back in the shop today, Saturday morning, after a disappointing day at the racetrack yesterday. But we're gonna get in here and see if we can't figure out what's going on with this front end and try to fix it, and maybe we can make something happen to make the race next week. So see what we get done. All right, Diesel, what we gonna do here?
Alright, we're having to take the spindle back loose and reconfigure the whole front end so we can get it to go around and quit rubbing.
All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. Got a lot of stuff we got to figure out. We got the right front suspension all tore down, and we're gonna just try to reconfigure. So we're gonna go back home tonight and just think on this thing and try to come up with a good solution to fix the problem we're having with dragging and rubbing the right front tire, and the car just not really, front end's not working efficient. So we'll be back in here Monday afternoon and get at it. See y'all on the next one.